So we're here checking on the silver Corvette in its garage, and the tire is not flat like it was the last time we were here. So it's a slow leak, which is good. I like that. Slow leaks are okay with me. We'll find them. That's probably it right there. She fired right up. Very little hesitation. I have to get the brake bleed kit from here. So I'm looking for the brake bleed kit, and it's so dark in the garage that the camera's having a hard time focusing and getting good video anyway. I keep finding everything but the brake bleed kit, and unfortunately I had forgotten where I put it inside the tool chest, so I'm looking at every single thing that I have in it, and I'm not looking in the actual top of the tool chest where the brake bleed kit actually was, sitting under the gloves and the mechanics towels. Right there, and yeah, there it is. Cool. Here we go. So we got this brake bleed vacuum. All right. So let's get this pumped up with a little more air. Oh, yeah, okay. This is the always on, so I should do this. So it had 20 pounds in it. We'll pump it up to 30 pounds. Sounds nice. The exhaust looks, well, like normal. Good normal. There's definitely something wrong with the camera because it's just not focusing anymore in low load. I think it's been dropped one too many times, and I'm just going to have to go out and get a new one to replace it. It was a good camera for quite a long time. I enjoyed it. It did what it needed to. It produced excellent video for a long time. Very happy with it. So we've got yeah, I got oil pressure is not right. I gotta change the sensor in that. The oil's too cold to register. We're doing 127 degrees on the coolant. We're pumping 14.5 volts into the battery. So we're up to 130 now. Let it warm up. Let's go check that tire, see where it's at. And it's right near 30, and I'll live with it. That's fine by me. That's a good, nice number. Put this tire pump away. And I got a bunch of these for the trucks and for my personal vehicles. They work out really well. If you pump it up, if you pump the truck tires up to 80, you burn up the pump. So I just do, like, if I need to, 60 on the truck tires, but regular car tires and Corvette tires, 30, 40, this thing will last forever. And we got a bag for it. We're going to start using the bag. Parts at that. So, the car's running good. I'm just gonna close up the hood. Gotta fix that flip headlight right there, that's busted. And shut her down. So I promised a viewer, that I would show you lash and how it's set right out of the manual, and this is exactly what I did. It's in here, and there'll be stills to follow right here. This is the 1988 Corvette manual. If you look for the engine, it is right there. RPO L98. Right there. Anyway, there you go. And like I said, there's stills that are going to follow this. 1985 Corvette manual. As promised, here are the stills that show the lash starting in the section of on the first photo and going around, showing the pattern that you're supposed to do it in, and also the steps in which to set lash on the rockers, the rocker arms, and the push rods. This will also take over for the hydraulic lifters and setting them properly. As you can see, the shop manual is the 1985 Corvette shop manual that I'm using. And the engine is the L98 RPO coded engine, as you can see here. Now, for the rest of the Corvette, we are still talking to the insurance company about the smoke, smell in everything that's in here, all the plastic, all the leather, all the carpet, and whatnot. We are still working our way through different things for this, and we're going forward. But we got to hear from the insurance company. And in the meantime, I forgot to bleed the brakes. So I took the wheels off, and we're going to get ready to bleed the brakes in the next video. I need to make this just a short video, keep you guys up to date on a few things. The silver car, the insurance, the fire. I got the go-ahead to rebuild my living room, but I have not gotten the go-ahead to fix the Corvette and its smell, or the bike, getting that cleaned off. They have to tear up the ceiling in here because they found water damage from when the fire hoses squirted through the wall and all that. So we got to take care of that. I don't know what's going to happen in here. There's a lot of stuff in here that needs to be cleaned, and it's like insanely crazy. Yeah. So we're just gonna find out. All right. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'm getting ready to do some other work and go from there. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.
唱啊，心里唱。